Hi, good morning there in Hong Kong. My name is Richie May Bayona. I'm from Manila, Philippines, and I'm 47 years old and turning 48 in April. My first experience in work is in Kuwait from year 2006 to year 2008. The size of the family are big. They are 8 family members, including the parents, and the children are 6. Their ages are 14, 13, 12, 9, 8, and 4 years old. I'm only one helper in Kuwait during the time. I cook, I clean, and even marketing I do it also. And helping there in homework, drawings. That is my talent, drawings. And then, I don't have any medication, I don't have any tattoo. I don't have any illness to take. And my second job is in Bahrain from year 2013 to year 2025. I came home in the Philippines December 31, 2025, and I arrived in Philippines January 1. The size of family are only 4, including parents. The children are only 2. When I came in Bahrain, the girl is only 3 years old, and after a few months, the mother is getting pregnant, and when she giving birth, I take good care of newborn baby. I'm only one there. I cook, I clean, doing homework, marketing, and then the house is 3rd floor. I clean 1st and 2nd, and the 3rd is now, that is my room. And now, before I left in Bahrain, the girl is 15 years old and the boy is 11 years old now. I finished my contract, just only extended. I want more money, that's why I extend a year. I stay there because I want children. I love the boy. He grew up with me. That's why I stayed there in a year, because I'm a loving person. I hope you want me to work there. I want you to know that I'm a good person. I'm trusted and loving. Thank you.